Welcome to my channel, The Vegan Flower Child. I'm your host Ritika, and this channel is primarily about exploring vegan food. So we'll be making vegan recipes, exploring vegan food in vegan cafes around, and also all the products that we get in vegan stores around. And today we'll be making a raw vegan avocado dressing salad. So let's get started. For the avocado dressing, we need an avocado, onion, parsley, basil, lime juice, cashew milk, almond milk, some garlic cloves, Himalayan pink salt, half teaspoon paprika, and pepper. Now let's blend all of this. Keep the avocado dressing in the fridge till we prepare the salad. For the salad we need 1 small cup broccoli chopped and steamed, 1 small cup sweet corn steamed, 1 small cup cherry tomatoes, 1 small cup baby corn chopped and steamed, and 1 cucumber sliced and de-seeded. Now let's mix all the veggies. Now let's mix the dressing with the salad. And our raw vegan avocado dressing salad is ready. Taste. That's a very creamy, rich, yet healthy and delicious salad. Guys, do try it out and let me know how did it come out. And if you like this video, please press like, subscribe to my channel and share it among your friends. And until next time,